Why mindful check-ins matter.
Being truly present in our everyday interactions can strengthen relationships and reduce misunderstandings. Many of us move through social moments on autopilot. Mindful check-ins are simple practices you can use to pause, regroup, and genuinely connect with others, helping you feel more aware and compassionate in your daily exchanges.
Step 1. Pause and breathe.
Before engaging in any conversation, take a moment to pause and notice your breath. A few slow, deep inhales and exhales help anchor your attention in the present. This short breathing space creates a mindful gap, making it easier to set aside distractions and approach the interaction with openness.
Step 2. Notice feelings and thoughts.
Turn your attention inward and quickly scan your current emotions and thoughts. Are you feeling rushed, irritated, or calm? Recognizing your mental state gives you more control over how you communicate, enabling you to respond rather than react automatically.
Step 3. Focus on the other person.
Bring your attention to the person you're speaking with. Make eye contact, listen closely, and notice their body language. Remind yourself to be curious rather than judgmental. If your mind drifts, gently bring it back to the conversation, showing respect and interest in their perspective.
Step 4. Practice gentle acceptance.
Interactions won't always go perfectly. Practice acceptance and patience with yourself and others. If you lose focus, simply notice it and return to the present moment. This gentle approach fosters understanding, resilience, and stronger connections in your daily life.
Building mindful habits every day.
Start small by choosing one daily interaction to practice these steps. Over time, regular mindful check-ins can help make presence and attentiveness second nature, enhancing your relationships and sense of well-being. Remember, each moment offers an opportunity to reconnect with yourself and those around you.